This is our cabin, G5, which is on the grand deck. I consider this a suite, and I can't complain by any means, but we'll give you a tour of it in here in about 8 seconds. All right, G5, known as a junior suite. First thing when you come in the door, you have your shelves, little cabinet down below. This is on the grand deck, very top, right next to the grand suite, in the very front of the ship, as you can see. All right, so let's start with, that's what it is. Safe in the shelves. We have closets. We have another closet with plenty of shelves and drawers. There are 2 drawers down there, as you can see. Thermostat. Light switches. Restroom, sofa that turns into a bed. You can actually sleep 3 in here. Drawers with a hairdryer. For all you people that ask if we have hair dryers, every cruise ship we've been on has a hairdryer. No curling irons, but a hairdryer. Then you have your mini fridge. Stool. We got a fan naturally, we always do, we love sleeping with a fan. Big screen TV, 55-inch. USB ports in the lamps on both sides, which is awesome. And everything takes a USB port nowadays, that makes it great. You have your light switch for the light, which is once you get in bed you can turn everything off. Same thing again, 2 USB ports and another cabinet down below. And what I love about this deck is it's like the Mardi Gras and the celebration. The doors slide, not open outward. And then you have your balcony. Now I will tell you this, be very careful of these balconies on the grand deck. As you can see, they are very high. They're about probably, I'd say about 8 inches step down. And there's my baby, Terry Lynn, sitting out on the balcony. You do have privacy out here. And that's it. If you're watching, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll know when we put up another video. Overall view from outside. And there you go.